Okay, lawn fans, you ready? Just a quick video on the day of my daughter's high school graduation. Got out here and I cut today. She is ready for PGR, guys. The only problem is I'm going to do some spot leveling. And spot leveling means I'm going to go around the yard, and where there's low spots, you won't be able to see them on this video, but like right here's a low spot. I'm going to level that out. And there's various spots around the lawn that need that. Now, if I were going to do a top dressing, that means I'm going to cover the entire lawn, kind of like you would put icing on a cake, and I would try to level the entire lawn, but it doesn't need it. Just spot leveling, especially going down this line where the cable company came in and replaced the cable. But I can't put the PGR out on the lawn yet until I get that done and the grass grows through. If I were to put the PGR out now, it would likely take a long time for the grass to come back up through that sand that I'm gonna put down for leveling. What kind of sand am I gonna use? I'm gonna use masonry sand. If you call a concrete place, sometimes landscaping places will have it. It's that really fine particle white sand that you see. Some of you guys that are really crazy about it, you'll go to places like, I think it's called Super Sod, and you'll get the PGA certified sand. I'm not doing that here, but I do have places that need spot leveling done, so I will do that. The putting green's really starting to come in. I know you see those bare spots back there, but I hit this thing up with the 3400 and it really took off after that. Then I put some micronutrients out on this. Today is Tuesday. I put those out on Saturday or Sunday, so 3 or 4 days ago. Man, it made a huge difference. So that's all that's going on right now this weekend. Fingers crossed, no rain, because we've been getting a ton of rain. And if I get my wife's permission to buy some sand, I will come out here, do the spot leveling, do it over there on my neighbor's lawn too. Then once the grass grows in, I'll be hitting this with some PGR, plant growth regulator. For you guys that have not fertilized or don't know about this, before you come out and do your leveling, whether it's top dressing or just leveling, spot leveling, hit your lawn up. Well, first, shave it down. Get a good scalp down on it. Then come in, put you down a high nitrogen product, a 3400 if you want to, 2704. Get that watered in, and then a few days later, come out and do your top dressing or your leveling. You'll thank me for it. That's all Bermuda Brian's got. Y'all have a great one. Bermuda Brian, out.